Welcome to our journey into the world of spices and herbs. These tiny ingredients have played a massive role in shaping cuisines, cultures, and even history itself. From the fragrant basil in Italian dishes to the fiery chili peppers in Mexican cuisine, spices and herbs add depth, aroma, and color to our meals. But their importance goes far beyond taste. Today, we'll explore how these natural wonders influence our food, health, and tradition. Let's dive in and discover the secrets behind the flavors we love. Before we go further, let's clarify what spices and herbs actually are. Herbs typically come from the leafy green parts of plants like parsley, cilantro, or mint. Spices, on the other hand, are usually derived from other parts such as seeds, bark, roots, or fruits. Think cinnamon, pepper, or nutmeg. This distinction helps us understand their unique roles in cooking and medicine. Both have been treasured for centuries, not just for flavor but for their healing properties and cultural significance. Spices and herbs have a fascinating history. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans used them for cooking, medicine, and even religious rituals. The spice trade connected continents, fueling exploration and shaping economies. Wars were fought and empires built over these precious commodities. Today, their legacy lives on in the diverse flavors found in global cuisines. Understanding their history helps us appreciate the journey of these ingredients from ancient markets to our modern kitchens. The kitchen, spices and herbs are essential for creating memorable dishes. They transform simple ingredients into extraordinary meals by adding complexity and excitement. Whether it's a pinch of rosemary on roasted potatoes or a dash of cumin in curry, these additions can make all the difference. Chefs around the world experiment with combinations to craft unique flavor profiles, making every cuisine distinct. Their versatility means there's always something new to try. Beyond taste, many spices and herbs offer impressive health benefits. Turmeric, for example, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while garlic can support heart health. Traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine have long used these ingredients to treat various ailments. Modern science continues to uncover their potential, showing that adding a little spice to your life can be good for your body too. Long before refrigeration, spices and herbs were used to preserve food. Ingredients like salt, cloves, and mustard help keep meat and fish fresh by inhibiting bacterial growth. This preservation power was crucial for survival, especially in hot climates or during long journeys. Today, we still use these methods in pickling and curing, connecting us to ancient culinary traditions. Spices and herbs are deeply woven into the fabric of cultures worldwide. They play starring roles in religious ceremonies, traditional celebrations, and family gatherings. For example, saffron is prized in Persian cuisine and rituals, while basil is sacred in Hindu traditions. These ingredients carry stories, memories, and meanings that go far beyond the plate, connecting generations and communities. Trade of spices and herbs has shaped economies for centuries. From the ancient Silk Road to today's global markets, these ingredients have been valuable commodities. Farmers, traders, and entire nations have prospered from their cultivation and sale. Even now, the spice industry supports millions of livelihoods around the world, highlighting their ongoing economic importance. Let's spotlight some popular herbs. Basil, parsley, cilantro, and mint are kitchen staples across the globe. Each brings its own unique flavor and aroma, brightening salads, soups, and sauces. These herbs are often used fresh, chopped, or as garnishes, adding both taste and visual appeal to dishes. Their versatility makes them favorites in home and professional kitchens alike. Now let's talk about some of the world's favorite spices. Black pepper, cinnamon, cumin, and chili powder are just a few that add excitement to meals. Each spice has its own story, often tied to a specific region or culture. Whether used whole or ground, these spices can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary, making them pantry essentials. Blending spices and herbs is an art form. Cooks and chefs experiment with combinations to create signature flavors. Think of classic blends like Italian seasoning, garam masala, or herbes de Provence. Pairing the right herbs and spices can elevate a dish, while the wrong mix can overpower it. Mastering this balance is key to great cooking. Growing herbs and spices at home is rewarding and practical. Many herbs like basil and mint thrive in pots on a sunny windowsill. Spices such as chili peppers or coriander can also be cultivated in small gardens. Homegrown ingredients are fresher, more flavorful, and can save money. Plus, gardening connects us to the origins of our food. Proper storage keeps spices and herbs fresh and potent. Store dried spices in airtight containers away from heat and light. Fresh herbs last longer when wrapped in damp paper towels and refrigerated. Following these tips ensures you get the most flavor and health benefits from your ingredients, reducing waste and saving money. Many spices and herbs have been used as medicine for centuries. Ginger is famous for soothing nausea, while peppermint can help with digestion. These natural remedies are still popular today, often used in teas, tinctures, and supplements. While not a substitute for medical advice, they offer gentle support for everyday wellness. Spices and herbs often play symbolic roles in rituals and ceremonies. Incense made from frankincense or myrrh is burned in religious practices, bay leaves are used in blessings, and sage is burned for purification. These traditions highlight the spiritual significance of these ingredients, showing their power extends beyond the kitchen. As demand for spices and herbs grows, sustainability becomes important. Overharvesting and unsustainable farming can threaten wild plant populations and ecosystems. Choosing ethically sourced and organic products helps protect the environment and supports responsible producers. Being mindful of where our ingredients come from ensures their availability for future generations. Today, technology is changing how we grow, process, and use spices and herbs. Hydroponic farming, improved drying techniques, and flavor extraction methods are making these ingredients more accessible and consistent. Chefs and food scientists are also discovering new ways to use spices, creating exciting flavors and healthier options for everyone. Spices and herbs have traveled the world, shaping cuisines wherever they go. Chili peppers, originally from the Americas, are now essential in Asian and African dishes. Coriander, cumin, and turmeric are found in recipes from India to the Middle East. This global exchange has enriched our diets and brought people together through shared flavors. To get the best from your spices and herbs, add them at the right time. Whole spices often release more flavor when toasted or bloomed in oil. Fresh herbs are usually added at the end of cooking to preserve their brightness. Experimenting with timing and combinations can help you unlock new dimensions in your dishes. There are many myths about spices and herbs. Some believe that spicy food always means hot, but spices can add warmth and complexity without heat. Others think dried herbs are less flavorful, but proper storage can keep them potent. Understanding the facts helps us use these ingredients more effectively and creatively. Spices and herbs are more than just flavor enhancers, they're a bridge to history, health, and culture. By exploring their uses, growing your own, and experimenting in the kitchen, you can bring new life to your meals and connect with traditions from around the world. Embrace the adventure and let your taste buds lead the way.